Have you ever seen a petty argument escalate way more than it should have? I own a small house and my parents have always really wanted to live in it rent-free. My dad is retired and my mom refuses to work, and after some bargaining we came to deal. A lease was written stating they'd pay $350 per month, which was the amount needed for me to pay it off. Essentially, I wasn't making a dime on this house. Well, I recently told my mother that rent would go up by $3 because of a slight increase in insurance. My mother lost it. She actually screamed at me, claiming I'm a money-hungry beach, threatened to ruin the garden because of this, and even lunged at me trying to grab my hair. She yelled that I owe her this, that she won't pay the $3, and I can't evict her because it's her house. I finally got her to let go of me, and yelled back that she and my dad are listed as tenants. I went to turn around and leave, but she ran past me and blocked the door. "I'm not paying," she yelled again. I was at my wit's end by now and physically pushed her out of the way, then told her to talk to a lawyer about this, because if they refuse to pay, I will evict them. I walked out of the house, and later that day I got a call from my father telling me my mother was divorcing him. He tried to tell her that going to court over $3 wasn't smart, and she got so angry she screamed that their marriage is over. The full story where the mother goes to court over the $3 is on my channel and linked below.